Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can uninstall system apps in an Android phone without rooting your phone and without any system modifications. As you can see right now, there's no uninstall option over there. There's only one disable option and a force stop where you can force stop the application. Now what we're going to do is we are going to go to settings. After seeing that you cannot uninstall, we have to go to settings and then we proceed further. Now you have to make sure that developer options is enabled. You have to do that by clicking build number 7 to 8 times and then your developer options will be enabled. Now in developer options, you have to enable wireless debugging. And in wireless debugging, I'll be showing you these steps which you have to follow. After allowing all the permissions, you will close off the app or put it in split screen, and then you're gonna download this ADB app, which is the we used. So what we are going to do now is we are going to put the pairing code and the port inside the ADB app so that it connects. Now I am going to put the port and the pairing code that is over here in the settings, and I'm going to put it there until it shows a success option. After that is done, we have to go to another app called Package Name Viewer. In that, we are going to copy the package name directly of that particular app. I'm going to be pasting it in the notes section, and I'm going to be copying it directly, the package name from the notes section, and using it in the LADB app. Make sure you copy the package name just as I have shown you in the video. Otherwise, it might not work for you and it needs to be copied correctly. Now you are going to type pm uninstall dash user -0 and followed by the package name that we copied earlier. After doing so, all you have to do is press enter. After pressing enter, you will see that the app that was desired to be uninstalled is now no more. You can check if that app is there in the application section as well as all the apps. You won't find it there because we have completely changed its value to 0 and removed it from your phone. Visit my website soyishmonga.com for further details on how to do tips and tricks related to technology and a lot more stuff. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe Sorish Manga on YouTube and also follow me on Instagram.
And thank you for watching, guys, for bearing with this AI voice. And I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.